Hello everyone, this is Shadi from HappinessBakes. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so honored to be part of Farhang Flavor series, and I wanted to thank Farhang Foundation for all the efforts and support for promoting Persian food and culture. Today, I'm going to show you how we're going to make Reshteh Polow, which means rice and noodles. The reason why I have chosen this recipe is it brings me so much fun memories from Nowruz from back in Iran, which my mom used to make this dish and believed if you have Reshteh Polow right before Nowruz, Reshteh kar dastet miyad, which means you will get control over your destiny through the whole year. Now, let's see what ingredients we need to make this delicious dish. For this recipe, we will need rice, Reshteh Polow or noodles. I'm gonna use both chicken and meat. I already cooked my chicken, and we're gonna make Koofteh Ghelgheli with these, which will need minced meat, grated onion, salt, pepper, powdered garlic, and meat spices. I'm gonna garnish with date, raisins, fried onion or piyaz dagh, pistachio, rose petal, and saffron. We will need oil to fry our meat. Also, we're gonna use cinnamon for dates and raisins. For making Koofteh Ghelgheli, we're gonna need our minced meat. We're gonna add it to our bowl. Our grated onion. Salt. Pepper, garlic, and meat spices. We're gonna mix them well. Now it's time to make our Koofteh Ghelgheli or meatballs. So we're gonna grab a piece of meat size of hazelnut and make them like small balls in our hands, like this, and put it in the frying pan. And start filling the pan before we put it on top of the stove. Okay, now we're gonna add the oil and fry the meatballs on high heat. Now it's time to prepare the rice. Add the soaked rice to the boiling water. Cook until it's al dente. For adding the noodles to rice, we need to break them in small pieces. Now it's time to add our reshteh or noodles to the boiling rice. And we're gonna stir it and let it boil 2 to 3 minutes. And then drain the rice and rinse with cool water. Now it's time to assemble the rice inside our pot. First, we're gonna add some oil and some blue saffron, and we're gonna add the rice and let it cook. Now it's time to steam our rice. So we're gonna cover the lid with a clean cloth, and we're gonna cover the pot and lower the heat and let it steam for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Now it's time to fry our dates and raisins. Add a little bit of oil to our pan and fry raisins and dates individually. Add the cinnamon. More oil to the same pan, and we're gonna add the dates. Do not fry the dates too much, just a little bit, sauteing it. It's time to assemble and garnish our dish and set the table. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. Hope you make this dish at home and enjoy. Nusha Jan.